See, so this is 3 times m raised to the power 4 times 5 times m raised to the power 6. If you observe here, we separate the number from the letter, the numbers from the letter. So also here too. So 3 times 5, 15 times m raised to the power 4 times m raised to the power 6. So you add the power up. So this gives us 15 times m raised to the power 10. That will give us 15m10. So that's how to do it. So this is division law. Example 2, we have to simplify the following on the board. Then the law says that y raised to the power x, and you can use any letter, divided by y raised to the power z equals, you have to minus the power, y raised to the power x minus z. So the same thing you do here. So solution A, y raised to the power 7 divided by this. So the divide stands for minus 4. That will give us y raised to the power 3, and that's all. It's that simple. Then here, this is 7 divided by invisible 1 here is still 7. Y raised to the power 5 minus, divide is minus 2. 7 y raised to the power 3, and that's the final. Then here, that's 15 divided by 3, then bracket your m raised to the power 6 divided by m raised to the power 2. 15 divide the numbers first of all, then the letters. This divided by this is 5, bracket m raised to the power 6 minus 2 is 5 times m raised to the power 4, which is 5m raised to the power 4. We take the one by one, the numbers to the number, they divide, and the letters to the letters, they divide. This will give us 5. You minus the power, they get it, then times out. So it's simple. So the next stage. So example 3, the zero power law, the law of when the power is raised to 0. Anytime you see m raised to the power 0 is 1, 1 million raised to the power 0, anything raised to the power 0 is 1. That's the third law. So solution, we have y raised to the power 4 divided by y raised to the power 4, so you minus it. That's the second law that we have done. This will give us 0. Based on the third law, once the power is raised to 0 is 1. 10 raised to the power 6 minus 6, this will be 10 raised to the power 0, this will give us 1. That's what the law says. So we'll go to the next stage. Example 4, we are looking at the law of negative power. Okay, the law of negative power says that if we have m raised to the power minus 1, it will give us 1 divided by m raised to the power 1, but you don't need to write it. So let's bring it down to this place. This is y raised to the power 4, divide is minus 7. Then this will give us 4 minus 7 minus 3. We've done this in the previous chapter, the additives of numbers. So this is y raised to the power minus 3. Then based on the law, he states that this 1 divide, this your minus is 1 divide y raised to the power 3. So you bring down the power. Then this here we have 3 divided by invisible 1 is still 3. The m2 minus 5. This is 3m raised to the power minus 3. This is 3 times 1 divided by m raised to the power 3. Now the minus is affecting only m and not 3. That's why the 3 is separated. So this will give us 3 divided by m raised to the power 3. Let's throw more light on this particular stage of the work. If in case you have it like this, 3m, now in this scenario is affecting only this, so it will be this 1 divided by 3 raised to the power 3 times m which will give us m raised to the power 3 raised to the power 3. Do you understand? Or if you find it like this, now it's affecting everything in the brackets, not just is everything. So this will give us 1 divided by 3m raised to the power 3. So it's affecting everything. So this is not the same thing as this, it's not the same thing as this. So we want to look at the following extension in a lot of indices.